Florida State's going to be able to run the ball at least somewhat. They're just really good at it. They have to hit some shots in some way, shape, or form. If they do not, they're not winning. And to do that, it's something that Alex talked about, and absolutely rightly so. I give the edge. I think Florida State's O-line's pretty good, but I'll still give the edge to Miami's D-line. How do they pass protect in obvious passing downs? 3rd and 8. Sometimes Tommy will just take off and make 3 guys miss. He's a freak, but that's not the desired way to go about it. You need to be able to throw on time and on rhythm against NFL players. If Florida State can't do that, they will go home with an L. That simple. I trust Deuce Robinson. No offense to Miami secondary. He's going to make some plays. Can he make enough for them to win, though?